Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily move your design or projects to a folder in Canva. So here I've already on my Canva and I'm going to just go to my recent designs. And in here, let's say that I want to move for example this designs right here to a folder. So what you need to do without opening the design, just click on the three dots icon and there will be an options to move it to a folder. Click on that option. Then here you can just select the folder that you want to move the project into. Click on this, then click on move to folder. Okay, so now the design has been moved to that folder. You can just go to your projects or go to the folder. Here click on folders and this project 1 and you'll see the design that I just moved. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment and click on the thanks. Bye.